We've already started example 2 here. So we plugged in 0 and we got 6. And we plugged in 60 and we got 4. And we plugged in 90 and we got 2. And we plugged in 120 and we got what, Adrian? Good. Okay. And then we're going to do, here, I'll just give you a heads up on the angles I have written on my paper. 180, 240, 270, 300, and 360. Okay. We don't. It takes us back to the beginning. We don't need 360. It's just a reminder that we're going back to the beginning, back to where we started. Okay, so 180. The cosine of 180 is -1? Oh, 0. It is 0. So that would be the same answer as... No, wait. I'm not going to trust Adrian anymore. So 4 times the cosine of 180. The cosine of 180 is -1. Okay, 240 would be a -1/2. And so for 240, if we do 4 times -1/2, we would get a -2. And 2 plus -2 would be 0. I stopped writing these out. Is that okay, or do you want me to keep writing them out? Let's see, 270. So 270, the cosine of 270 is 0. So that would be the same answer as 90, which was 2. And then cosine of 300 is, that's all students take calculus. So that's a positive 1/2. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So 60, that would be a 4. And then 360 just goes back to 6. Okay, let's sketch this and see what happens. So we have 0 degrees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 degrees, 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 degrees, 1, 2. 120 degrees is at 0, so the angle really doesn't. It's kind of good if you follow along with what's like, you should graph it in order. Ugh, I just got a little jig in there. I don't know why. That was weird. Okay, then our next point is 180 -2. So 180 is this direction, but -2 would put it this direction. And then 240 is back at 0. So that's the part right there. If we put more points in here, we would see these happening. But it's basically going in order from point to point. So the fact that it has to go over to that point is what gives us the loop. And then 270 is 2. And 300 is 4. And then 360 is back to 6. So that completes our loop. Oops, to there. No, no. I mean, this one wasn't terrible, especially since you kind of know what's happening, right? Okay.